What's going on, guys? Boost the Whips here. Today we're going to be showcasing you the Genesis GV70 3.5T drop-in high performance filters by BMM. These filters are readily available on our website at boostthewhips.com under the Genesis GV70 category. So these are built with high quality mesh all around, as you guys can see. And this will allow you to have a better efficiency, airflow, and overall have a better outcome than your traditional paper filters. As you guys know, the paper filters are very restrictive on any vehicle, not just the Genesis, but any other vehicle are known to be very restrictive. So these here has the same benefits as a K&N, which gives you better efficiency. They're reusable, they're washable. These are dry filters, so you don't have to worry about any contamination to the throttle body or engine per se. So these are dry filters, again, washable. And you do get some nice, better throttle response based on our customer that have bought these. They have given a great feedback saying that they have a better throttle response upon acceleration. They also get a better efficiency by 1 or 2 mpgs. Again, all these things vary by vehicle, how you drive, conditions, but definitely high performance drop-in filters have proven back to back that they're just much more efficient and better airflow. So these are really great. Manufacturer specs state some increased numbers on here. They have some dyno sheets. Again, all that will vary based on your supporting mods, tuning, and whatnot. Our main focus here on selling these is simply for the low maintenance, having your better efficiency, better airflow, and whatnot. So again, these by the dealers handbook, they tend to try to change them out at anywhere from 10 to 12,000 miles. You would avoid that with these filters. Long term is a really great investment, in my opinion. And some people that drive vigorously in very harsh weather conditions most likely will be changing these out more often than not. And these have a cost from the dealers, which will cost, not these specifically, the drop-in OEM ones, have a cost to them. So you would also save money in the long term just by buying one of these sets. So definitely recommended. Very high flow, well built, high quality, plug and play, direct fit. You get the set, so you'll get your left and right filters inside the box. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, again, drop them below and I'll get you squared away as usual. So available on our website at boostthewhips.com under the Genesis GV70 platform, and you guys can check that out along with other products that we've been launching and providing for that specific platform. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, Boost the Whips. I'm out. Have a very pleasant day and God bless.